Are you tired of recycling the same job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, Upwork to search for jobs and you want something different? In fact, you feel like LinkedIn is not favoring me, Indeed is not favoring me, Upwork is not even favoring me. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Queen Valen, a remote job strategist. I help absolute beginners and people without experience and with no tech background land their first remote jobs fast and simple. So if that is you, hit the subscribe button. So let's dive into it. The first website I'll be giving you today to use for your remote job is FlexJob. FlexJob is one of the best websites to land your remote job. If you're looking to use free platforms, then FlexJob is not for you because FlexJob is subscription based. You need to subscribe to be able to access those jobs. Of course, those jobs are vetted, so you need to subscribe to be able to access them. So if you don't want to invest in your job search, flex job is not for you. Then number two is we work remotely. We work remotely is one of the biggest websites that will help you to land your remote job. There you can find jobs like sales, customer service, writing, like content writing, blog writing, and you can also find designing, video editing. All those kind of jobs are there on We Work Remotely. So if this is kind of skills you have, if these are the kind of jobs you're looking for, go now and go and use We Work Remotely. It might favor you as you're tired of recycling other big job boards. Then the third one is Remotive. If you're in Africa, if you're in Nigeria, or if you're anywhere in the world, Remotive gives you the opportunity to access international jobs. And one other advantage of Remotive that you can use is that there is a Slack community. Remotive is flexible for international jobs and it will give you your time zone so that you will know the kind of jobs to pick and the kind of jobs to apply to. And the fourth one is virtual vocation. Virtual vocation specializes in non-tech roles like admins, teaching, and all other kind of jobs that doesn't require you to know how to code or have math skills or even be in tech. It is so flexible and virtual vocations pre-screen. These are the things they do to avoid scams. And the next website I'll be telling you today is Europe Remotely. So if you're in Europe, it will be easier for you to use this particular site. And even if you're not in Europe and you're looking to land a remote job, use Europe Remotely. It will help you to land jobs around Europe. And one of the downside of this particular website is that some of the jobs require you to live in Europe before you can access them. So if you live in Europe or even if you don't live in Europe, you can try. Some of them require you to work remotely, while some require you to live in Europe before you can land those jobs. And this particular website is less competitive. So why not go out there and try your luck with Europe Remotely? And the next hidden job site I'll be telling you about today is Outsourcely. It's written on the screen here, Outsourcely. This particular job site is like a game changer. Outsourcing connects you to startups or small business owners. And some of the time, these startups gives you the benefit to be able to try you out without you having 100 years of job experience. So that is the benefit of connecting you to startups and small business owners who are ready to try out and see if you're the right person for the job. And in outsourcing, you can filter it to the kind of job you want, payment, time, and anything you want. You can find them in outsourcing. So here you have it, the hidden websites that you can try out and land your remote job faster. So if you found this video helpful, do it to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave me a comment if you'll be trying any of these websites. Until I see you next time, my name is Queen Valen and bye.